Traditional homes have a timeless appeal that many homeowners value: balanced proportions, classic details, and a sense of warmth that never goes out of style. In Rowlett, many homes reflect these traditional design elements, making it important to choose upgrades that enhance character rather than disrupt it. Bay windows are an excellent match for traditional architecture, offering added light, space, and elegance while respecting the home's original design. Complementing classic home design, traditional architecture is often defined by symmetry, clean lines, and thoughtful detailing. Bay windows fit naturally into this style because they extend outward in a structured, intentional way. Rather than appearing modern or out of place, bay windows feel like a natural extension of the home's original layout. For Rowlett homeowners, bay windows help maintain architectural balance. When designed with proper proportions, they enhance the facade without overpowering it, preserving the classic charm that makes traditional homes so appealing. Enhancing natural light without changing character. One of the most noticeable benefits of bay windows is the amount of natural light they bring into a room. Traditional homes sometimes feature smaller or more evenly spaced windows, which can limit daylight in certain areas. Bay windows solve this problem by allowing light to enter from multiple angles. In Rowlett homes, this added brightness makes living rooms, dining areas, and sitting spaces feel more open and welcoming, without sacrificing the home's traditional look. Creating inviting interior spaces. Bay windows don't just affect the exterior, they also transform interiors. By extending beyond the wall, they create a sense of added space that feels intentional and cozy rather than dramatic or modern. Many Rowlett homeowners use bay window areas as reading nooks, seating spaces, or decorative displays. These uses align perfectly with traditional interiors, adding charm and functionality without altering the home's overall layout. Maintaining symmetry and proportion. Symmetry is a hallmark of traditional architecture, and bay windows can be designed to respect that balance. When placed thoughtfully, they align with existing windows and architectural features, maintaining the home's visual harmony. For Rowlett homes, choosing bay windows that mirror the height, spacing, and trim style of surrounding windows helps ensure a cohesive appearance. This attention to proportion allows bay windows to enhance the home rather than stand out in the wrong way. Adding subtle curb appeal. Bay windows add depth and dimension to a home's exterior, which naturally boosts curb appeal. Unlike flashier window styles, bay windows enhance visual interest in a refined, understated way, perfect for traditional homes. Rowlett homeowners often appreciate how bay windows elevate the look of the home while staying true to its classic roots. From the street, the home appears more polished and inviting without losing its original character. Improving comfort and airflow options. Many bay windows include operable side panels that allow for ventilation. This provides homeowners with the option to enjoy fresh air while maintaining the window's elegant appearance. In Rowlett homes, this flexibility supports everyday comfort. Living spaces feel brighter and fresher, enhancing the overall experience of the home without introducing modern elements that clash with traditional design. Supporting long-term home value. Traditional homes often hold their value well, especially when updates respect the original architecture. Bay windows are widely seen as a desirable feature, particularly when they blend seamlessly with the home's style. For Rowlett homeowners, bay windows add both visual appeal and functional value. Even if selling isn't a current goal, this upgrade enhances long-term attractiveness and livability. A timeless upgrade for traditional homes. Bay windows offer the perfect balance of beauty and practicality for traditional homes. They bring in light, create usable space, and enhance curb appeal, all while honoring classic design principles. For homeowners in Rowlett, bay windows are a thoughtful, timeless upgrade that complements traditional architecture and enhances daily living. When designed with care, they become a standout feature that feels like it's always belonged.